And you read your lesson better yesterday. You kept the underline words, hard words, and you are doing your homework. Homework means you are completing your fair notes. Okay, you have to complete your fair notes better. Okay, and what is our lesson name? Using forest and protect. Okay, what is our lesson name? Forest, using and protecting. What is mean by using and what is mean by protecting? You know forest already. We knowing about the forest. How is the useful of the forest? How we will be protecting the forest. And yesterday also we are talking about the forest, and we are having the 4 types of forest. Yesterday we are discussing about the evergreen forest. Yes, evergreen forest. And today we are knowing as a deciduous forest. We are having the 4 types of the forest will be is there. The first one is the evergreen forest, second one is the deciduous forest, and third one is thorny forest, and fourth one is the literal sea coast forest. We are having the 4 types of the foresters. Let's we know first. Yesterday we are discussing about the evergreen forest. Today we are knowing about the deciduous of the forest. What will be having in that forest, and which types of plants, which types of trees, fruits, and we had to knowing today. And see, but first these grow in region they are having only for some months of rain. It having only some months of rain and warm. And the next, dry for the most of the years. In this forest they are having the more rainfall and the warm, and totally anytime it will be having the dry. Okay, it will be having only dry. And the next, they are having tree shed the leaves during every month. It will be having every time the dry month. It is a dry month means every time the leaves will be left down. And then see, try to conserve moisture by getting rid the leaves during months. New leaves come without one set of the rain. Only one time only, after the rain one set only it will come the new leaf, and then can produce themselves only. They food themselves only produce. Suppose beta in our home they are having the so many plants. Daily we are pouring the water. Water means it is the food only, no? Food only, that is a water only, food. It will be becoming as a fruits, they will give flowers. Same as it is also in the deciduous forest, they totally dry, no? Dry means their food only, they only produce that plants and trees. And the next, it is the most is in Telangana it will be having. In the most in Telangana it will be having. This category it will be get the less rainfall. Why that it will be becoming as a less rainfall? They are not having the more trees, no? Trees is having, but they are not having the more evergreen. It will be having the less. That's why the rain will be less fall. And the most of months it's very having very hot. It will be having every time it will be having hot only, and most of the year. And the next, normally there are the 2 kinds of the pilpis there, but let's me see what the 2 kinds of. See, we are having the 2 kinds. What is that 2 kinds? See all of you, the 2 kinds is there the deciduous forest, one which is the means a deciduous forest, first one. One which we receive more rain, and one which receive less rainfall. In this only beta, in the deciduous forest, so 2 kinds of is there. Sometimes it will be less rainfall is fall, sometimes it will having the more rainfall. The 2 types of kinds will be is there in the forest. And the next, having these kinds of trees, they are having the so many kinds of trees. See, Madhiga Arjuna and Badguru and Vegi, Teak, these all in the Telangana most types of. Okay, such forests are found in a Komarabim, Adilabad and Mancherial, Naga Karnool and Jayashankara and Bhadradri district. These all are the most of having these types of trees. And in this area with a less rainfall, we have trees like a Madi, Teak, Valaga, Ippu, Tunki and Billu, Neem. And these types of all trees will be is there. The most of the in Telangana, Adilabad, Warangal and Khammam, Nizamabad, Karimnagar are the most of the Mehboob Nagar district. These are the most of the areas. These are most areas. And see, but here is there. They were the showed take trees in the summer season. See in your textbook, but once you see in your take trees in the summer, okay, like this will be is the take trees. Very it will having the very long trees like bushes trees is there, same as it is. And the next we can see Tron forest. These forests grow in a very dry area with a little rainfall, high temperature. It will be having totally dry and having the less rainfall and high temperature. And most of trees thrones commonly trees bubble. Yes, thorn tree ante mulla chetlu antam chudandi, bubble tree. Okay, and Bulasu, Regu, Chitpala and Mungedu, Neem tree. These are Telangana. They are found in a Nalgonda, Mehboob Nagar, some of the Medak district. They were having as a in some districts. And moreover we call as a get very little rainfall. Nearly district and means they are having nearly desert condition. These are some bubbles nearly where we live means moreover in the desert. Without water it will be grown. In the desert only these types of plants will be there. And the thorn tree is very thin and leaves. The thorns leaves very thin, but you can see I think this like small it will be having. And it will be thorns very sharp. Open space, more undergrowth, very few trees. In the underground it's very highly, when we are cutting the tree, no, it will be not cut out. Okay, the roots are very tightly on the earth. And the next, the fourth one is the littoral sea coast. Where is in there in the sea coast forest. See, these forests grow mostly sea coast and sand beaches. Sand means matti, we can call as a sand. Near beaches only it will be grow. And marshes land affects tightly waves. Tide, when the tide waves will be there, no, that time it will be stopped. And here the tree adapt to salt water. The trees will be adapt to salt water. Why? That these trees are will be near sea and where? Sea and beaches, no. That why it is adapting the salt water and flowing in the tidally waves. It's typically the areas alternate salt flowing, but flooding and they are having the dying. Okay, they are having the flooding and dying. Okay, flooding and they are having the dying. And the next, these are all called as a mangrove forest. These are all called as a mangrove forest. Okay, but these all are called as a mangrove forest. And next means they are called. These trees are very having the developed. These trees are will be very developed. And the next, they having also more of the environment. And the next we see status of forest in Telangana. Okay, we can see status of forest in Telangana. What will be having to see? Meaning Telangana, what will be having the status of forest? See, you can read as a important kinds of forest in our state, but we are having the forest. So let's we see what will be having in the more in the Telangana state. See, about 26,900 not 4 kilometers. See bada 26 9 not 4 square kilometers of the region. They are having the so many kilometers, square kilometers of the region. The declaration of the forest by government. This is the declared by the government only. And the 14% of means 24%. 24% of the all lands. 24% of the all lands. And nearly 1 hectares of our state. In our nearly 1 hectares of the in our state. Okay. However, this is a really forest only 16.74%. 16.74%. And our land. And the tree covered qualifying as a forest means 7% of our forest means it will be cover only 7%. And the next with a few trees, not all trees, only few trees. And the next minimum etc. Every year 30 kilometers of forest lost our state. 30 kilometers lost of our state. Okay. Kilometers of the our state. And the next remaining topic tomorrow we can discuss. Okay, what is the topic? Indications of greeny in Telangana. Okay, indication of greeny in Telangana. You know about the greeny of Telangana. You know almost. Okay, and tomorrow we can discuss. Today only some more we can some more only these types of 4 types of we can discuss. Okay, remaining topics tomorrow we can discuss. Okay, and you have to your complete your FAIR notes, read your lesson must and keep the underlined words. And you can better we having this 4 points now. Evergreen forest, delicious forest, thorn forest and literal sea coast. You have to read that 4 compulsory. Why means he will ask you, he will ask the question. What is the types, how many types of the forest? You have to write there are 4 types of the forest. You have to write this 4 names also. Okay, compulsory. You have to note it in your book. Okay, thank you.